I'm here today to show you this immaculate manor house, absolutely bursting with period features and presented to an exceptionally high standard. Set within over 5.5 acres of gardens and grounds. Welcome to Foxenden Manor. I'm so excited to show you this breathtaking home, starting with this bespoke farm-style kitchen with granite worktops and beautiful views out to the grounds. This home has been incredibly well maintained. It exudes charm and character while still feeling fresh and luxurious. On the ground floor, you have 3 generous reception rooms, including this grand sitting room with this gorgeous exposed brick fireplace and French doors out to the grounds. Upstairs you have 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. You actually have 2 options for your principal suite here, both of which come with en-suites. This one is in the older part of the house and is full of original features. This one is a little more modern and spacious. You'll be spoilt for choice. Outside is absolutely delightful. Now we have got a lot to see here, so let's go. I love these ponds and the nearby fruit orchards. It's so peaceful and tranquil here. This kind of acreage would be perfect for horses. You have multiple outbuildings, some of which could be used as stables. Let's not forget about this immaculately maintained tennis court. I don't have to tell you where to put the pool because it's already here. I can just imagine hanging out here on a warm, sunny day. Absolute bliss. This is one of 2 self-contained annexes, so you have plenty of room for guests or other family members. So if you're looking for an immaculate period home set within over 5.5 acres of grounds with multiple outbuildings, a pool house and a tennis court, then you have to come and see Foxenden Manor. To book your viewing, contact Foundation Estate Agents today.